Just wanted to make a quick video. We are sitting in 25 to 30 mile an hour winds. It's gusting quite a bit over that. Showing what we're making in this wind. Now, the Heli is doing what I always expect it to do. It is making between 1,000 and 2,000 watts in this kind of wind. The washer turbine is, oops, see, no, damn. As soon as I move the camera away. One that I've found amusing is the washer turbine. See, now, like the Heli is making 1,000 to 2,000 watts. It's going all over the place between the 1,000 mark and the 2,000 mark. The washer turbine, like the wind just died. The washer turbine's been making like 500 just all the time. It just stays there, 500 watts. It's kind of neat. I like that. The i1500 that I have down here on the bottom, also doing pretty well. Making, well, generally it's making about 1,000 watts, but like I said, our wind kind of ran away. There it goes. So our Heli clearing up over 2,000 watts. i1500 is running 1,000 to 1,200. I've got this one running on that inverter, which keeps it loaded up. It's making it, giving it a hard time trying to get up around that 1,500 mark. But it has done it a few times. You can see where the washer turbine's cruising at that 550, 500 mark. And I've had two more of my Photex fail. Actually, it now looks like that one's failed. Lights off. I'm gonna have to find some other relay because I can't have these things failing, especially whenever I'm sitting out here or not sitting out here. Like I said, just have a nice spring day. This might be the last production video that my i1500 gets before she comes down. Yeah. That's that for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.